They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.
Morning,
They hate
can you
when
guys
I
hear
keep
me?
dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you?
Today. See now. Oh, okay, I think it's good now. Good morning, such a trailer. Alright, I'll be right back. Make my coffee. Alright, be right back, guys.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just to get out of the home, it sucks. I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck. Under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Morning, Joey. Okay. What's going on? Yeah. We could see possible sales from here, guys. Oh, we still gotta wait for our setup here. Alright, bye. Was Wild here doing Asia? I know you left early, bye.
I don't want to talk about it.
How you doing to talk about it?
Man, I give myself like a rule during Asia session because it's so late, early in the morning for me. I say, right, I'm gonna give it 2 hours. If there's no trade by 4 a.m., I'm gonna get to sleep. Literally 10 minutes later, you get a 1-to-1 banger.
Yeah. I was actually expecting the bullish move to freaking break the highs. I was not expecting it to, even if it was gonna pull back, I wasn't expecting it to go past this 5-minute demand. Man.
Yeah, it was quite a big pullback, wasn't it?
Yeah. I was looking for the sales initially, but man, when it did not break this so when it did not break this I gotta delete that one. This minor low here, 39.80. I mean the first major low of this range. First range here. Like, okay, well, we should go back to the highs at this point. If we can get a pullback to the 30, then the buys should be good.
Great. It looked like a great trade.
How did London session go for you guys?
I
Fucking
didn't trade
disaster,
London.
bro. Almost
Fucking-
TP again.
Fucking
God
bullshit.
damn it.
But you said
What'd
it
you
was
take? Buy,
BS.
sell?
Ah, fucking cells. I took it here. Somewhere here, I think. It's like almost give me the TP.
Oh, I see.
Fucking bullshit.
Little bullshit.
Yeah, she even freaking did double top already. Yeah, but man, this fucking 5 minutes. Don't know what happened there.
My day sucked.
Oh, you took an elder in London too?
Yeah,
I mean, I'm just managed to get break even for the day just on this sell. But yeah, I took a buy during London, and it just I went straight through it.
Damn.
I took a buy from 39.80 on futures.
39.80.
Yeah, 39.80.
How did you? Where was your stop loss? How did you lose? Oh, right over here.
During London.
Okay, London. Okay.
Yeah. I asked that question, King. I said, "How did I lose?"
Yeah, the way gold moves now is just it's crazy. The way she moves now is just crazy.
Yeah, I was not
this
expecting.
week has
I
been
barely-
fucking sucks for me. Almost TP and then freaking flip to stop loss. Jeez.
Like I've even been, barely getting my setups. Did you trade London well?
Yeah. Let's see.
Tell us about your wins. Yay.
I sold it like over here and then TP'd at the iceberg, and then I bought it here and got stopped out there.
And it went
Yeah.
all the way up.
yeah, it went all the way up. Oh man.
No, there's nothing worse than when you miss a Asian session banger. I took an L in London. Worst feeling ever.
I don't trust this supply, but we'll see. But we will see, because we have a minor BOS here. However, over here, we got an issue. Right here. So, this thing might continue to the upside, but we will see. Because this high over here broke this low. So we got a BOS to the downside. However, this high created this continuation. So this continuation created this low here. And on its way down, it broke a low that the previous high created. So it could hold. So I'm paying close attention to that. See how it reacts once we get there. Okay, there we go. We tapped it again, so let's see. Let's see. It holds. I'm gonna have to sell it right there. Use 100. Oh. If we do take a sell from here, we are looking at 100 ticks stop loss. A 5-15 minute align bullish with 1 hour and 4 hour. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, still bullish overall.
Maybe. Thank you. You promised to go on that slutty. Yeah, only slutty for me. You said could be some slut. I'm so cool with that. Oh, yeah, we said that time. And you said, call me slut, and I did, and you went, oh. Oh, look at it, pretty. I love you. Hey. Thank you. Oh, thank you, babe.
It's a few of you on YouTube today.
Okay.
Vampire, you got an AI right there with you or something?
Oh, sorry, I was just talking to my wife.
We're using 100 tick stop loss here. Rejected a major low from the bottom. See if we're going to reject the major high. Okay. But we definitely gotta wait now. Can't take this sell anymore.
Oh shit. I got a bit nervous there. I bought the highs looking for the break and it was like hesitating. Oof,
Damn.
finally broke it.
Damn, you bought the highs?
Yeah, I bought it like
Wow, FOMO'd, guys. You FOMO'd.
97.0.
Yeah.
I FOMO'd that shit. 97.0. I just
You,
TP'd already. It's like, fuck this. Whew.
you, you Asians are crazy.
It just looked too good that they're gonna pop that high.
Yeah, it was looking like it. I did say I don't trust the freaking supply, but who am I? Well, you do not need this supply anymore at this point. We'll see how we react to this agent high. We're gonna close above. See, we got one more 5-minute candle. 15 will be closing, 30, and 1 hour will be closing. And what demand can we use first? Yeah, this 30-minute closes. The next 5 will let us know how the other time frames is going to close. If we're going to close above or we're going to close rejecting. I think this is, yeah. Daily already closing above previous daily candle. 5 closed above it, 15 did, 30 not yet.
Wow, there's the pop. That's what I was wanting. Damn it.
Yeah, this should close above. If it does, we can even use this 5 minutes demand here. Where's the 30 going to be? 30 would not be bad if it closes strongly. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds for this candle to close. As long as, looking at the 1 hour, as long as this bottom wick is longer than the top wick, the 1 hour is possibly going to create, then we'll have a decent closure above this Asian high. Then actually prefer this 5-minute demand compared to the 30. We'll see. Alright. Alright. But that's not a bad closure. So the add. Right now we wait. If we do get it by from here, let's see where it's going to be. Good target here. Let's do 40-20. 40-20 or 40-30.
Goldman Sachs is saying we're going to see 5,000 for the end of the year.
Yeah, the way it's moving, we should see 5,000 for the end of the year.
We had buys from 2019 in January. I just want to say that.
I think even if we still had it running, I don't know, we probably would have closed.
Oh yeah, there's no way I would have held it up to here.
You would have made $500,000.
Yeah.
on 3 lots. Crazy.
All right, Gold. Pull back that. Come on.
You just can't believe how many massive buyers are at the top of each candle. They're just buying and buying and buying.
You know.
Mm, 4,005 coming on. Are we on YouTube every day now?
Huh?
Are we on YouTube every day now?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't believe my buy didn't work out from London.
Where did you buy it?
Bought it. I'll give you the exact price because I want to know your opinion. Looking at the footprint. If you look at 29.80. Yeah,
Forex?
29. No, sorry, 39.80 on futures.
39.80 on futures.
Yeah, during London, so not the Asian taps, but the London tap that were pulled back. Actually, 20 minutes before London. 20 minutes before London open.
39.80, 20 minutes before London?
Yes, correct. Yeah, correct.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't like that.
No. Because of the drop.
So I actually TP'd at 80, which is the iceberg.
Yeah, well, that's what made me buy it. Okay, yeah, that's what made me buy it when I saw that.
And then so it came down, but it's like so it was holding, like it consolidated above like the New York value area low, value area low. And
Yep.
then it broke down, and now I needed to see it like break above that consolidation again, because now it looks like lots of buyers attempted to hold it up and then they all failed.
Yeah, I see.
And then also you have like VWAP trending down now, so it's like supply trending down on the VWAP, holding below VWAP, breaking that value area low. Now it's like, okay, I needed to, get back above.
Yeah, that was probably my mistake about the VWAP. Actually, looking at it, it was pretty much resistance for that little range that you're talking about.
Yeah.
So yeah, well, that's what I missed.
And if it pulled back like a little bit higher and wasn't so volatile and gave like a nice like small stop loss setup, I would have tried to sell it.
Yeah.
Wait, you guys are still looking at sales right now?
Oh no, we're just talking about London.
Yeah, I was talking about, I was just asking his opinion on my trade. you said it sucked. I should be ashamed. He said, "What are you, Edwin?"
Edwin is not happy today.
No,
I don't know
he's
how
not.
though. 'Cause I'm sure Gideon got the 1-to-1.
I don't think Gideon did.
Oh, damn, gold's still going. Bastard.
Yep, still going.
That's why I wanted to see when I was in it. It didn't do it. Just start to chop.
Been looking at freaking crude oil again.
Oh no, that's when things are bad.
It
Sorry,
moves.
what was that?
It moves better after NYSE. That's the best time to trade it.
Look out YouTube, soon we're going to see GJ.
Nah, they're never gonna see GJ. That's one pay that I made sure I don't ever trade again.
God damn, GJ. Went out with a bang. Went out for like a triple loss.
Man.
Oh, horrible.
Okay, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick before this thing sets up. If it does, got my headphones on. Just take over for me. Well, I'll be right back, YouTube.
I love how gold is sort of teases the sellers with these big drops.
Oh.
And then, like earlier when it drops like 100, 200 pips, you think, okay, this is the full-on reversal. This finds a bit of support and up it goes. New all-time high.
When I saw it like get back up to here where Edwin wanted to sell it, I was like, man, I don't think so. I think it's going like back to 4,000. Like I was like, shit, I think this is 4,000 again. I think we're going for it. But then it was too choppy. Like it was chopping all around in this zone, and I was like, nah, I don't want to trade it. I'll probably fucking lose again. Probably wick me out. Also, the sellers, they've never been able to even sustain, like, even with the craziest of sell-offs, like, before the day's even over, the buyers have taken back control.
Yeah, just corrected the whole move. If you look at, like, pre-London, it dropped from, like, if you look at, if you look at Forex, it dropped over 360 pips. And then London opened. Well, an hour after London opened, we've corrected the whole thing.
Yeah, exactly.
That's just crazy, absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like on Forex, we peaked at like 39.76, call it 77. For a couple of hours, we dropped to 39.42, and then from 39.42, we just turned around, never looked back, and now we're at 39.85. Oh my God.
Oh, that's a good TP target, 4,000 on Forex.
Yeah, for 4,000 on Forex, it's a great target.
Yeah.
getting aggressive selling in this candle, but
Yeah, it looked like it was gonna try to pull back just now, and it's like, nah, not yet.
yeah, I think there's so much volume.
It's like teasing the sellers, like, do you wanna try to short gold like a retard?
Uh,
Let me just stop you out.
I don't even know how you would catch a. I have no confidence in the sales unless it's you're getting like a momentum trade, like you just look at the delta, look at the van, just short it, hoping for the best. Because like you said yesterday, just there's no real supplies.
Yeah. I really think most people, they don't understand like the true, like meaning of supply and demand, because it's like there's 100% zero supply in gold and 100% unbelievable demand on gold.
Yeah, what you're seeing is manipulation and closing out positions when it dropped.
Yeah, exactly. There's no bank or hedge fund, whatever, going,
No,
yep, let me fucking go 1,000 lot short and hold this for like 6 months.
no.
All right, it's gonna pull back now. I'm pretty sure. Nope, never mind. Is it gonna do 180? Clap those sellers. Jesus. I really want to see gold like flush straight down, like super crazy fast, tag that demand area, and then just take the buy straight back up. Because if it comes down super fast, it's gonna have like no resistance going straight back up. Oh, new all-time high again. All those people who tried to short it, they just got clapped.
Yeah, man. Only a dumbass trying to sell gold. And I fucking sold gold since yesterday. Get clapped. God damn it.
Oh yeah. Have you checked like your losses recently? Are they all sells?
Good question. Let me take a look.
Because I bet the majority of them have to be sells because buys would be fucking winning.
Yesterday and today sells. Let me check on Friday. Damn, you're right. It's a sell.
You see? I knew it.
Oh, man.
And I'm not sure. I haven't been keeping track of Abe's trades lately, but I do believe that most of his losses are probably sells.
Yeah, it's just, man, I don't know. I just saw sells until she doesn't.
See, I'm
What?
I've got completely flipped around. I am
Yeah,
only seeing buys until it doesn't. Like even when it
yeah,
broke down super aggressive, right? I told you I bought the low of London, but I still got wicked out. But it's like I'm still trying to get the buy. Because the moment you zoom out, like on gold, like let's say you zoom out to a daily or whatever, it's straight vertical, man. It's like the most bullish thing you've ever seen.
yeah, that's true. But my brains keep telling me she should give a pullback or some shit.
Yeah,
And just like a
that's the
BOS.
problem.
I was like, man. And it's so hard to ignore as well. It's like, shit, look at this rejection and stuff. Man,
Yeah. That's the thing. I feel like, it's like um gotta like try to adapt quickly.
yeah.
So sellers stepped in, it wicked out the highs, took out those early sellers. Now it's trying to actually pull back, it seems. Hmm. 9 minutes for NYSC.
Sellers are getting real aggressive now.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, don't you go up now. Don't do it. Come on. 5 minutes for NYSC. Damn. Buyers are already stepping up. Just a few pips above 4,000. Shit. Man, oh man. Um, Alright, NYSC is upon us.
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the
Okay, so we're finally getting our pullback.
things you gotta work for, believe me.
I would prefer the 5 minute.
Feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincing me you're willing to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be feeling sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce.
4 hour closes in 25 minutes. How is the 4 hour going to close? Morning, Joseph. Come on, gold. Come down to the 5 minute. I do not trust this 30-minute demand. I'm not confident in that 30. I need the 5 minute at least. 5 minute demand, that's what I need. And I'll pretty much explain why just in a minute. Okay. So, yeah, we have a POS right here on all the time frames, except for the daily. We're not even going to talk about the daily right now because we're at all-time highs. Now, here on this time frame though, the 5 minute pretty much created so the 5 minute of course created this high. Now we have a higher high. Now more than ever, 5 minute created a minor low. We broke it. Then we went down. We went back up. created another resistance, and then we came down again aggressively. Now, on this same time frame, I would rather wait for price to come down and reject the low that excuse me, that created this high. And what low am I talking about, and why do I prefer the 5-minute? Now, the 30-minute, even though we did break a major high, that's fine. But here on the 5-minute time frame, the price, we created a high, then we created a low, and then we broke the minor high and the major high. So I would rather wait and let price get back to where the buyers pretty much started this move from, because that's where this is the strong demand pretty much, because we have more we have the most buyers, or we should have the most buyers around this 5-minute demand, and then then we started, more buyers kept getting in. But I would rather wait for it to get to where the move started from, which is pretty much at the bottom, and I'll be using this 5-minute demand. Since we've created this lower high, lower low, bearish momentum here, so I needed to come back to the origin of the bullish move, pretty much, if that makes sense. All my previous rants is just simply means I wanted to come to the origin of the bullish move. That's pretty much it. Can't rely on that 30-minute demand with this setup. It's got to be the 5. Got to be the 5. It should be a POC. Gonna stand for the origin of this move. And let's see where we got a POC at. Yep, we got one at that bottom. That is combining London low and Asian high right now. We're gonna look at one more. Okay. Where's Asia? Where's Asia low? Oh.
moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind.
Come on, girl, just get down to D5.
Taste sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.
Come on, come on, come on.
I'm a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.
Come on, girl, you know you won the 5 minute.
I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
Come on, Goody. You know you won that 5 minute demand, so just get there.
You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep in, bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head, not heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back.
So, real quick, because as God is moving right now, I am paying attention to this. I do not want to see a rejection around here if gold does pull back up. Because if it rejects, then I'm not going to trust this 5 minute demand anymore. I will use this 30 minute, and this is why. Yeah, gold is bullish. The only way I would trust this 5 minute demand is if it does come down, even if it rejects here, is that the 5 minute does not close below 39.93.4. And even if it does close this below, right, even if it does close this below, whichever way, I'm still... Hey, why is this? What's that? Damn, I didn't save it. Where's it? Okay, so came down. If we reject from here, there's a chance we are going to come down. Now, if we come down, either we grab this low or we close below it. I'm not going to take it right away. Gold should give something like this. And then this is the buy I will take. So we'll see how this thing reacts from here. I didn't get down to that 5 minutes, so we'll see. Man, it's going up aggressively. Crude has not been giving that deeper or decent pullbacks, especially down in New York. So we'll see what we're going to do here. Because this is still the 30-minute that held. Yeah, I just don't like it. I just don't like it. Sellers are trying to push this thing down from here. But are they going to be successful? I would expect it to come down, but go this bullish. I don't like it when I pretty much see candle formations that I just don't like. If not, I would have taken a buy from this 30-minute demand. I would have been in this trade. I've taken the buys. But I need this 5-minute demand here. And if this freaking little demand holds, then it is what it is. I guess I'll miss out on this one. If gold was bearish, I would take a sell setup like this. If she was bearish. If we end up closing above 4006.6, then gold should continue higher. There is a reason why we're struggling here. Does that mean it's gonna fall from here? Maybe. We go up? Maybe. Wow, you trading NAS or something? Be quiet.
No.
You in this trade?
Oh, no. I'm actually just watching ES, seeing how it works with the, the order flow.
I mean, doesn't ES move together with NAS? With NQ?
Yeah, but it should be more like gold where it respects the levels more accurately.
Even if gold does come down to the 5, it is still the 30-minute that held. The only issue is you also have a lower time frame demand there as well. So it could decide, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna come down lower and then go back up. So it's still the 30-minute demand as well. So I could have been in this trade. Wait a minute. So I could have been in this trade around here. But if I do that, then I'll have to have my stop loss below this low, because that's actually how I'm supposed to have it. Because that's, if this low gets taken out, then I was wrong. There's a higher chance it could continue lower. I'll tap the demand below it. Now, do I want to do that though? No, I would rather have a better entry, with a much tighter stop loss. Because this move over here is just very sus. I do not like it. I do not like it. This is the main reason why I'm not in buys just yet. I would recommend that if you're trading on your own, it does not even matter what strategy you use. Maybe you use break and retest, support and resistance, supply and demand. Or maybe you trade with indicators, whatever strategy you use. I would recommend that you also pay attention to candle formations. However, if you're paying attention to candle formations, also be ready to miss out on trades. At the same time, it can also save you from losses. In the past, I don't pay attention to candle formations. I just, if there's a demand there and it looks good, I'm taking it from there. So, me waiting extra now for more confirmation right now is either going to save me from a loss or I'll miss out on this trade. Either way, I'm cool with it. Even though we're struggling here, we can still go up. But based on this candle formation here, I'm expecting it to come down. Hey Trudeau, how you doing? How you talking about me, Cute? You said welcome to my world. Adding candle formations to my pretty much to how I trade. It's as a result of me still always learning. I don't care if you've been trading for 20 years. You're still going to be a student of this market. Even if you're the most profitable trader in the world, you're still going to be a student of this market. So if someone like me that has been trading for freaking 9 years now, if I'm still a student of this market, I don't know. And you've been trading for just 2 years and you're complaining, man, I don't know what to tell you. Because if we're in college now, all of you will be in class. And you need 4 years to get out. Except if you drop out. So, don't even complain if you've just been doing this for 2 years. Yep, learning never stops. What made me to never give up trading? Well, the passion. One day, very soon, I will make a video about what trading has done to me. And hopefully it inspires some people. I'm not ready to do that just yet, but I will. The part that I've never spoken about on my channel, yeah, I will speak about it. I've only spoken about the good part. The bad part, you don't even want to hear it. But if you do, it will inspire you. You're gonna be like, well, I know I'm not profitable yet, but shit, I shouldn't be complaining. What is going to see you through any adversity in regards to trading? It is going to be hard, but two things: the passion for trading and the belief you have in yourself. If you believe this is going to work for you, it will work for you. But you really can't do that on your own because, man, trading is a freaking struggle. So now, if we do get to this 5-minute demand, okay, now I want you guys to pay attention to the candle formation since we created this high. Okay, now since we created the high at 4,008, we pretty much now have a low, high. Now we do not have a lower low just yet. Okay, yeah, gold is bullish. We all know that it's bullish as hell. Now, But in order for us to catch a continuation here on the lower time frame, we have to be careful. Now we're doing all this extra confirmation stuff because gold just keep breaking an all-time high. It is very, very difficult to trade gold when it's at an all-time high. It's completely different. Now, if we come down and we tap this 5-minute demand, especially if we close below this low, well, what do we have now? Well, we'll now have a lower low. Now, if we create a lower low, there is a chance we could go up, reject the supply, and then we come down and we just continue dropping. Now, in order for me to avoid that, because I'm not trying to freaking get clapped, and I have to see this thing go down, go back up aggressively, come down and retest. If we reject again, that's the move I will take. And we'll pretty much have a W pattern here. That's what I am going to take. So, you'll see what happens here. We will see. Sometimes my calmness, especially in a trade, is scary, powerful. A sense of great experience. Yeah. Man, I've seen it all. Plus, I'm pretty much a calm person by nature. I don't talk too much. The only times I talk too much is even like all this thing I've been talking about. It's because I'm high. It's when I'm high, that's when I talk a lot. The people that know. So when I'm high, I talk a lot, and when I'm mad, when I'm hungry. When I'm hungry, man, I don't even want to talk about it. You would think I have anger issues, and I don't. Maybe because I feel like, because I'm calm, I'm gentle, people just feel like, oh, I can just do anything and say anything and I'm going to get away with it. No, buddy, you are wrong. No, you won't. You got it set up on E as well?
Oh, not really. No.
I should be high on live always.
Yes, he should.
Really? Damn. Why are you giving me bad advice, wow? Oh, where's Pi? Pi left?
Oh yeah, Pi's not here.
Oh, maybe he went to pick up his kids.
Yeah.
And earlier I even said if gold was freaking bearish, I would have taken a sell. This candle right here. But nah, we're not bearish. It is set
It's a
up.
good sell.
Yeah, it is. Especially on your time frame that you were not the time frame.
Yeah.
Sure, it even look way better than this on the TikTok.
Oh.
It should.
It looked great. But the only thing is, like, I think the entry would have been like 4,001, and then 4,000 is just like 10 pips below. It's like, man, what happens if they buy it at 4,000?
Yeah. These are the setups, especially as a supply and demand trader. These are the setups you would just be like, damn, what the hell? Why did I lose? I should have freaking won this trade. We bullish. Right now, this is not bad because we did not close below this low. But I don't like it just yet. If we can get a resistance formed, I will take it. Oh, you sold gold earlier? Oh, okay. When I go kicking out and it continued. I used to trade in the 3 minute or 1 minute. Being open to what benefit is of great importance in trading. Always learning to improve. No arrogance or ignorance is acceptable. True, makes sense.
Manating, manating. Uh-huh. Wanakawakamating. Uh-huh.
What? Mama T. Wait a minute.
Uh-huh.
What's going on here?
Oh, sorry, my mic's on. My bad.
Killed a bit using that Riz again.
How did the 4-hour close? Nope, 4-hour did close below. I mean above. No, I don't think this 5-minute demand is gonna hold. Yeah, we should come lower. The 4-hour is giving me weird vibes. You look at this previous 4-hour candle. The bottom wick is way shorter than the top wick here. Pretty much shows as soon as we closed above the previous major high, the sellers started getting in before we closed, and then we have a continuation of it right now. So I think gold is going to come down lower. Might be right, I might be wrong. Yeah. It's probably not gonna be. It's probably gonna be a no trade day for me. I mean, not a no trade day. Might not trade NY session today, but we'll see. I think she wants lower today. Especially if this, this candle just closed bearish. There's a chance we might continue lower here. And we'll see how we react at the 30-minute demand. Alright, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys, and I'll be right back. Well, please take over for me.
Oh, yeah. Well, Gold's ranging. Pretty much just ranging on top of the near the highs. Hard to trade this, honestly. Chalk it. Let's see. What's YouTube doing? Nothing. Part of me wants to buy the low of the range and sell the high of this New York range. But man, I feel like it'll wick me out. I don't know, it doesn't look good to me. I'm just saying, you know, if I were to trade, you know, it's like, well, I'm gonna sell the high, buy the low of this range. But just knowing gold, it's like, man, the moment I try to sell the highs, it's probably gonna wick out the highs. Okay, it's getting close. It's getting close. I might have to fucking do it. Because I'm a fucking degenerate. God. What is that? New 30-minute just opened up. New 30. Man, double massive projection wicks on the lows. Woo. Looks like it's gonna wick out these highs. Maybe even go bullish. Maybe it's consolidated long enough. What are we gonna do, gold? Let's see. All right, let's go down, gold. No? Okay. Maybe it doesn't want to go back. Oh, no. Looks like it doesn't want to do it.
Oh well. Well, this should go up now. It shouldn't come down. Now, I will be willing to, let's see, take this. If it comes down to there, then I will take. If it does not, then that's it. That'll be my session.
Oh wow. Jeez. It just poked the highs and collapsed.
Don't go up yet. Ah, you sold just now? Or the previous candle, I'm guessing. Even if it comes down, I don't see it going past this 5-minute demand. Not anymore. I'm hoping it does come back to this new 5-minute demand at least. Because if it starts breaking this previous high, then I don't think it's gonna come down. I don't think it's gonna come down and tap that 5-minute demand. It's just gonna continue up. At least it should continue going up. So if it is going to come down and possibly tap the new 5-minute demand, then we shouldn't. It's pretty much close above 4008. This should just fake the sellers, tap this 5-minute demand and continue up. I see your 3-minute setup, killed a bit. Your owner just got taken out and it's about to continue.
That's the way of the market.
Technically, I would expect gold to pretty much come. Now that this low grabbed the highs, I will pretty much technically I would expect it to come back to the lows that created it and then reject, because it's pretty much ranging now. However, due to the fact that gold is just so freaking bullish, and this 5-minute demand pretty much held, and it gave a minor BOS in this range, I will be willing to take the buys from this 5-minute demand if we tap it. So hopefully we do get to this 5-minute demand. And once again,
wow.
Once again, that would be a better example. If gold was bearish, this would have been of course, a good setup to take a sell. But we are not bullish. I mean, we are not bearish, and neither are we breaking lows. So in this tiny range right now, we pretty much grabbed highs and we grabbed lows. But the good thing that's working in favor for the buyers is, of course, major BOS, failure to close below a low, and then we have a minor BOS. Everything is on the buyer side right now. Can we get involved in the action though? That's what we're waiting on now. I'll check out the cups of NY when I'm ready.
When was the last NY trade?
Yeah. Man, I'm gonna have to go over my channel to see that one.
I think it's his 38 in London from now on. 100% win rate.
I mean, if we're being honest, it did give a setup. It's just not a good setup, if I might say. Not a convincing setup. Even though gold is bullish. If it ends up freaking breaking the highs now, that is just so freaking shady. Like, it could have just freaking, look, it was so freaking close. Just look at that. It could have tapped the 5 minute. So close. Wow, did you stop gold from tapping this demand?
No.
Oh man,
I don't like the way gold's moving for New York. Don't wanna take anything.
come on now, don't be scared.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
If you
All the
come
best trading happens.
down Asia, huh? Yeah.
Yeah. When America's asleep, that's when you can trade.
No, no,
you guys wake up.
No, trust me, we very, very much awake though in Asia session. London? Oh yeah, majority of us will probably sleep.
Man. I know, man.
Okay. Depending on how this candle closes, I think I'm officially gonna be done with NY session.
Abe's officially calling it.
No, for
New York's
today.
over.
I meant today.
Okay.
I meant today. And damn you, gold, if you freaking break this high now. You could have freaking tapped that demand. repeating yesterday's actions. We could have taken the buys. The main thing I did not like is this bullish candle that rejected the 5-minute demand. If this previous 5 had actually tapped the 5-minute demand, because nobody did talk about possible liquidity grab here below this low, but I wanted whatever candle that grabbed this low, I wanted it to also reject off the 5-minute and either close bearish or doji.
This
She didn't do that.
right here, if it occurred over here, would have been perfect because you got like a entry, stop loss, not too bad, easy.
Yeah.
1-to-1 before even the all-time highs.
Yeah, all that, yeah. It was not a good setup. I wouldn't say that because some people will see this as a good setup. Just not for us, pretty much. Man, the trade we took down Asia session last night, it was so freaking late. I was not even paying attention to the time, because if not, we wouldn't have taken the trade over in Asia last night.
Oh, that makes like eight wins, all Asia.
Yeah, Asia has been the GOAT.
Man, I do not trust gold at all. Like all these candles up here on my chart, it's like they all have gaps all over the place.
Yep, it is looking like it'll come down again. This previous candle, this gap, it might continue as well because this candle build it up a little bit. So build at least 50% of it, so that could be enough. Or it could come back down and fill it up and tap this demand, because this candle did not even close above the previous bearish candle, and it rejected the previous high. So we could come down, fill this week and fill this gap. She just keeps getting tricky and tricky and tricky. You just farted and it stinks. Oh man,
Horrible. Horrible. So I just let one out of my desk and it ruined my afternoon. Ding.
And what did you eat?
Oh, man, it's all the protein I eat. It's like all those eggs and chicken. Jesus.
I was wondering what stinks. I could smell it from here.
I would be surprised, man. It was one of those hot ones as well. Horrible.
Hey Jay, how you doing? It's crazy, man. Good could also be freaking baiting in the freaking sellers.
There'll be another Asian banger, I think.
You said Asian buys. Yeah, possibly, for sure. Very high chance for Asia buys. Gold view. I mean, we are looking to take buys. He's tripping right now.
Man, how long has it been sitting up here? Jesus.
At least for 20 minutes now.
Damn. Purely beat sold. Buy it. It's gonna pop. Up, there we go. Got him. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, she was just baiting the sellers in. Like, come on, I'm gonna fall. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Which it does make sense though, for a counter trend setup, especially if you're trading like the lower time frame, 3 minute, 1 minute, or this seconds chart. Because technically it should fill this gap, but then again, this previous candle filled it 50%. So you decide to continue.
Still can't trust the buys. It's like there's so many gaps in these candles.
Well, okay, I'm gonna call it. Oh man, I'm gonna call it. Well, maybe we'll get a good setup tomorrow. All right, YouTube, I appreciate you all. Maybe we'll get a good setup tomorrow and a win. So I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless. I'm out. Peace. All right, Zoom. We'll see what happens during Asia session tonight. I'll see you guys then.
All right, thanks,
Thanks,
Abe.
You're welcome, guys.